talk to me. You make me feel like I'm the one. If there's something we ain't done, you won't hesitate for none. Let's try something. Take my hand and don't let go.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the Doxy Takeover. Hey Doxy family, what's good? Anyways, we are starting off the vlog strong. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like, and comment down below. If you're new, if you're not, if you're returning, still comment. If not, then what's good? It's all love over here. But anyways, you guys, happy Sunday. It's Sunday. Your girl's about to make some gumbo last minute. Chicken, sausage, some crab lump meat, some shrimp, and that's it. I didn't get my okra because I forgot to tell my husband to bring it back from the store. Child, and I'm not going to the store, so it is what it is. But I love me some okra, honey. I'm an okra girl. Give me the slime, honey. I like it. I'm gonna keep it PG. I got my sister in the back. Y'all can barely see her. She's eating, but she back there in the cut. She came over here to chill. You know what I'm saying? All love. But no, so I will show y'all my gumbo. I'm not gonna show y'all how to cook gumbo. There's 1,000, 1,000,001 videos on TikTok, YouTube, baby, across the globe. There is tons of videos. So I'm just gonna make my gumbo and I'll show y'all how that looks. My girlies are asleep, my little bonus babies, y'all. They're asleep. Their names are Rain and Royal. They're 18 months. No, they're not 18 months. They are 20 months, I believe. 20 months. And they're taking a nap right now. I'll show y'all. Let me show y'all them. That's my actual baby right there, honey. She 200 and probably 36 months. These are my bonus babies. So, yeah, they are sleeping, they're napping. So you know, when you got little ones, you got to get it in where you can. I done showered, did my face, you know, put some good some clothes on, and now I'm about to cook real quick. So I'll be back with y'all. But yeah, happy new year, happy prosperous, happy healthy. There's this. Anyways, so yeah, happy new year to y'all. I hope you guys have a prosperous, a healthy, I don't know, a God driven year. I'm gonna let God do his thing with me for my 2025. Instead of me planning out my year, for me, I'm going to let God lead me. That's the goal for me. And I have been in my Bible. I have been reading, studying a lot more because I've been yearning to get closer to God, y'all. So that's what your girl been on right here. So, but yeah. But anyways, before I come back, let me come back. I'll chat with y'all later. All right. About to eat it up, y'all.
Tell me what you waiting for. And about it cause you so about it. Falling cause you falling for me. Can I tell you cause you went and told me? It's been good getting to know me. And about it cause you so about it. Falling cause you falling for me. Can I tell you cause you went and told me? It's been good getting to know me. Much as I understand, can you tell me again? I love to hear you say it. Speak up, I know you can. Tell me you want it right. You want me by your side. There ain't no other lover that can make it smile. Stay
Alright, y'all, I got everything back to how it was before my babies came. I'm gonna, y'all remember when I brought these? I don't know if y'all remember, but I got these from Burlington. These are gonna go here on the wall. I'm gonna remove these and put those up. I don't know what I'm gonna do with those just yet though. But anyways, got this clean. My living room is back clean and halfway decent. Diamond string to her charger is like right there, but for the most part everything is picked up, all the toys and all that good stuff. Since all of that is picked up, we are about to head into the room now. Now I have to let the air mattress down and clean up that side because ooh, my hat goes off to the mothers out there. Yeah, I've totally, since I got big kids, like baby toddlers, keep you on your toes. You can't do much. I ain't even really vlogged this weekend. But let's go and clean that up now. Total mess over here. Then I gotta put this up. So I just got through hanging up all of my clothes, and I unpacked my winter clothes, my sweaters, long sleeve tops, all that good stuff. And so this is what it's looking like behind me. I got everything kind of color coordinated, but I got my blacks, I got my grays, my blacks, my burgundy. I don't have a lot of burgundy at all, y'all, but I like the color. Like, I love burgundy. It's so pretty. And I was not, well, it's like a maroon, not burgundy, excuse me, that's maroon. But I like this color, y'all. Definitely love the color. It's so pretty. I got my tans, like my browns. Got all of those. My orange, rust, auburn type color. And then we have the blues, of course. Got the blues. Can't go wrong with the blues. A little bit of red. Just a tad bit. Not a lot. Just a tad bit. And my little olive green, not a lot of that either. So that's what I'm trying to do is spice up my wardrobe, get some more pieces into my closet, into my wardrobe, so I can wear them, because I have not really like shopped for myself in a while. And so the goal for me is to shop for myself, feel good about myself, and keep it moving, honey. So yeah, I even got my husband. Thank God for my husband, y'all. He actually helped me. He came in here and kind of got my little perfume collection going. Cause look, I was a creature of habit. Like, I stuck to one perfume, pretty much like 1 or 2 bottles of perfume. Those were my go-to. Those was the ones that I was always wearing. But look, y'all, I got some perfumes now. Let me move this. Any little, you know, perfume collection going. I got this one for Christmas, this one for Christmas, this one around Christmas time as well. This 2024. But yeah, this is my little collection. So I have this perfume called Latafa or something of that sort. It's on TikTok. So I'm going to order that. I'm going to submit my I'm going to go ahead and purchase my cart, because that one the girls rave about on TikTok, and not just on TikTok, on YouTube too. Like the vlogs that I be watching, the girls are like, you know, mixing that or just having that in the collection is key. Like, so I'm gonna order it. I've been influenced. Yes. Oh, baby, I was so thirsty. My friend did my hair really good. It's a sew-in. It looks very full. I need to buy some mousse. But not really, because your girl, the hair is giving. Like, it's doing what it needs to do. And I like hair just like that, honey. That easy peasy. Like, just wake up, take the bonnet off, and we good, you know? So, y'all, I was trying my best to think about like what I want to do this year as far as videos for you guys, and I'm like wrecking my brain, and I was just like, you know what, God, I need to stop. I need to, you know, just pause, like a hard pause. I'm just going with the flow, like going in whatever direction God leads me, and that's that. Like, for real, that's just what it's going to be. Because like, just being honest, every year when I set my goals for the new year, I get a lot accomplished, don't get me wrong, but I'm not following God's purpose. And I really want to follow God's purpose and plan and do his will. And I find myself like facing a lot of obstacles and roadblocks, you know, and I don't want to do that. I mean, of course, we all know, I mean, just keep living. Of course, you're going to have ups and downs. You're going to come through. You're going to go through things. Those roadblocks will be there. But it's like, instead of me just putting my eyes on me, I'm putting my eyes on God this time. And I do want to, you know, I'm going to continue to put out lifestyle content, because this right here is for my generations that are coming behind me. They will know who I am. You know what I'm saying? By me doing what I'm doing. That's the thing about recording and photos, things of that sort. Your generations after you will know who you are because of what we're doing. They're going to know how I live. They're going to know how my personality was, who I was as a person. Yeah, I just think it's beautiful. I've always had a camera in my hand though, since I was yay high, or in front of somebody's camera. I used to get my butt whooped, right, mama? Because I was always in the big video camcorder that she used to have. Y'all know back in the 90s? I think that was the 90s, yeah. Because I'm an 80s baby, honey. That was in the 90s. They had the big camcorders. Like, they was, you know, they would have it set up on tripods and everything. But today's day and age, baby, it's just a little pocket size camera. So it's all good. But back to what I was saying, when it comes to my New Year's goals, resolution, things of that sort, I am just going to allow God to lead me, and whatever direction that is, that's where I will go. If I start posting on another channel, or if I create another channel, you guys will know about that, because I will put it in the description bar, or just give you details in each video that I record. If you are interested, you can go over there and look at that content. If not, then of course you can continue to look at the content that I put out as far as lifestyle vlogs. But yeah, so just stay tuned, stay with me on this journey. I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. If you have not subscribed just yet, please do so. Join the Doxy family. We would love to have you. Comment below, like, and share the video as well, is all I ask. And yeah, y'all, see ya.